Howdy, this is Travis from KnowHow, and today we are going to learn how to take any process in your KnowHow hub and translate it instantly into Spanish, Chinese, French, or over a dozen other languages. Let's get to it. Most of us today have a multilingual workforce, but that's no excuse for not getting processes done exactly the way you want. So on KnowHow, we have a super handy feature that lets you translate any process into Spanish, French, or a bunch of other languages. So let's walk through it. All you would do is click on the settings menu and then go to language settings. This is going to be for the individual user setting their preference for what language they want to read their processes in. You can see we've got English, Chinese, French. Let's scroll down to Spanish. And then you've got this option, auto translate processes into a different language. If we detect that a process is written in a different language than what I have selected here, in this case Spanish, we're going to automatically translate those processes. If you want to translate them manually, then you can unselect that, but let's see it in action. And so let's hop back into the hub and let's choose this one, complete a category 3 mitigation. You can see here it's translating on the spot and now it has moved into Spanish. If I click the continue button or start in this case, it's going to show, there you go, you can see it just translated everything from English into Spanish as well. All my details are in Spanish, everything that I need is right there. Now let's hop onto mobile and I'll show you the exact same thing. So similarly on mobile, I'm going to click the profile icon and then I'm going to click settings up in the top. Now I'm going to go language settings, and again all the languages are here. I'm going to click Spanish and that's going to flip the system into Spanish. Now just like I did on desktop, I can go and find any process. Let's find this one again, complete a category 3 mitigation. You can see it's currently translating. There, it just translated into Spanish. I can click a button to continue. And it's going to translate the process into Spanish here on mobile as well. Click this button and it translates back and forth super simply. As your business scales and grows, you're going to continue to hire workers with various backgrounds, but that shouldn't impede you from ensuring that things are always done the right way every time. For more tips and tricks on how to become a process-driven organization, make sure to follow us on YouTube and of course, head to TryKnowHow.com.